The city reports that during blizzard the Parks Department deployed 1,700 to 2,000 staff on 12-hour shifts to clear snow from sidewalks and park paths, using 36 plows and 200 vehicles. From February 22 to 26, 311 received about 18,081 snow removal complaints, with 172 tied to parks and recreation including playgrounds and sidewalks. The highest parkside complaints appeared at Greenwood Playground in Windsor Terrace, and Newtown Playground near Elmhurst, Queens, Union Square Park, Tecumseh Playground, and Oakland Gardens Playground also drew notices. By February 27, 31 cases were closed and 141 remained open. Staten Island reported worst snowfall, Grasmere at 29 inches and Todt Hill at 27.8 inches. Since January 29, about 32,146 snow-related 311 complaints have been filed. The storm felled 223 trees, with 47 blocking streets and 1,800 tree-related service requests. Brewer criticized unplowed play areas. Parks said staffing is stretched, with crews clearing 24 properties while trucks are diverted.